Welcome guys in the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add someone Instagram story in your story. If you want to know how to add someone post in your story, so it's so easy. So let's find a post. So now I'm going to share this post in my story. All you have to do is click to on this share icon and then add post to your story and then next and share to your story. And this now I added this post to my story. If you want to know how to add someone Instagram story in your story, there is two ways. If your friend already tagged you in Instagram story, you have an option that you can so easy share that story in your story. So if not tagged you, you have to take a screenshot and share that story in your Instagram story. Okay, so I show you. I'm going to open this story. As you can see, this guy tagged me already in this Instagram story, and I have an option to share this story in my Instagram story. Okay, just click to add this to your story and then click to the next and share to your story. Then done. If someone not tagged you in Instagram story like this, let's open. As you can see, you don't have any option to add this story in your Instagram story. So all you have to do is take a screenshot, okay, and then click to this add button and story and find the post that you already take a screenshot. You can resize or adjust the photo and then share to your story. Share. Done. This is how to add someone Instagram story in your story. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.